y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kobe Lomax and I am the CEO of Curly Hair. Penny, you too loud. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on how to train your hair to be more curly, how to get your curls to pop more. And y'all, I mean, look at my hair today. My curls are popping, like literally, these are probably the best my curls have looked in a minute. Like, do y'all see all of it? Do y'all see this? I know it's not just me. What? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? What? Do y'all see this? So yeah, I'm so excited as always to bring y'all some more tips. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get into the video. I'm really trying to talk never turn me on. Something got me tripping. We've been playing games for way too long. Alright, class is in session and I have notes because I got some really good tips to share with y'all today. So my first tip is going to be to trim your hair. Giving your ends like a fresh start, getting them nice and strong, clipping off any of those split ends is really going to help to not only A, help your hair grow if you do have split ends or whatnot, but B, every single time I trim my hair, my curls like pop more. I don't really know exactly why it's like that. It's just how it works. So especially if you haven't gotten a trim in a long time, you feel like maybe it is time for you to get a trim, go ahead, give yourself a little trim, just cut off any dead ends you have. If you don't want to do it personally, I would recommend getting professional help. All right, my next tip, which I kind of discovered more recently as I've been wearing my hair down, is to style your hair with a lot of water. There's something about the water, and especially if you use warm water. Warm water is like the GOAT when you are like working with your hair. And when you style your hair using a lot of warm water, your curls just really pop a whole lot more than if you put a styler on dry hair. Sometimes what I'll even do is, like, my hair will be wet, I'll work in gel, and then I'll spray more water on top of the gel. I'm telling y'all, it's a game changer. All right, my next tip is keeping your hair healthy, strong, and moisturized, and also utilizing products that have ingredients that help to strengthen your hair, because the stronger the bonds are in your curls, the more your curls pop. And that's why I am so excited to talk to you guys today about today's sponsor. Wait, did y'all hear what I just said? So today's video is sponsored by NaturAll, and I am literally so excited to tell y'all about NaturAll because they really snapped on these products. Like, when I say they really snapped, 2 of the 4 products they sent me have become my favorite, like my top product, my #1 product in its like specific category. So NaturAll is a natural hair care brand that is very focused on quality ingredients as well as quality performance. Like, they really don't believe in like compromising, right? There's a lot of brands that will have like natural products, but they're not really that good, you know? And on the other hand, you'll have products that aren't so natural, but they're really good. NaturAll believes like you can have the best of both worlds, and they're not really about settling for anything. That's one thing I love about them. And y'all know I have a history of trying to put on and promote Black-owned businesses, and NaturAll is a Black-owned business that is truly becoming like an empire. And so I'm just so proud of what they've done and so excited to be sharing them with y'all today. So they just launched their new avocado kiwi line today, and you want to talk about moisture, strength. So they sent me all their wash day products, which includes the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and deep conditioner. One of the things that I really love about all these products is that they have vitamin C and vitamin E in them. So vitamin C and E in your hair helps to protect your actual hair from like free radicals in the environment that like try to break down your hair. And all these products also have avocado in them, which is really good for strengthening your hair, making it stronger, and really making those bonds strong so that your curls can really pop. The deep conditioner is like the best protein treatment I've used to date, like period. So you use the shampoo first, and the shampoo is super moisturizing. This is one of the 2 products that I was referring to in the beginning of this video. This is my absolute #1 favorite shampoo now. It is so moisturizing. It like literally, this shampoo feels like I could leave it on my hair like overnight and my hair will be fine. Like, that's how like freaking moisturizing it is. Then following the shampoo, you use the conditioner, and the conditioner was pretty good. It wasn't anything like, oh my god, this is so amazing like the shampoo was, but you know, it's a pretty good conditioner. The thing that I really love about this conditioner though is that it comes in such a big bottle. You're always going to use more conditioner than shampoo, and what I hate is brands that make the shampoo and the conditioner the same size, because you know I'm gonna run out of the conditioner first. And so this is so dope. They literally made the conditioner bigger than the shampoo because they know you're going to use more conditioner. I just love that. I also love the fact that this is like a squeeze out bottle, because I hate products that are a pump in the shower. My hands are slippery, I got product all over it, shampoo or conditioner. How am I gonna hold on to the bottle and pump it? You know, all of these products are packaged in a way that it just makes it so easy. Yeah, like I said, the conditioner, it wasn't like anything crazy, but it was a decent conditioner. Now let's get into this deep conditioner. Y'all, when I tell you, this deep conditioner right here is a staple for sure. The best protein treatment I have ever used. You know, it's heavy in avocado, as amino acids and things like that. They're going to help those bonds in your hair get stronger so that your curls pop more. It has my curls popping like to the gods right now. This deep conditioner is super natural, like extremely natural, so natural that they recommend when you get it to put it in the freezer so that it doesn't like mold or expire, because it doesn't have many ingredients in here, and all of the ingredients in here you can read. Now these deep conditioners are single use because once again they are very natural, don't have too many preservatives or all those chemicals in them. For me now, at least once a month I will be using this deep conditioner, maybe even twice a month. It's a protein deep conditioner, so you don't want to use it all the time, but this is the go. I mean, like, this is so good. Oh, another thing about the deep conditioner is that when you're working on your hair, because the deep conditioner is so natural, it doesn't have many synthetic ingredients, you can work the deep conditioner into your scalp, because a lot of those ingredients that work really good on your hair also are really good like on your scalp for different reasons. So for example, your scalp needs vitamin C in order to produce collagen, and collagen is a key part of your hair's structure. So rubbing this on your scalp is really going to help you grow strong, healthy curls that will be quite popping. And another thing about vitamin C is it helps your body absorb iron, which is a mineral needed for hair growth. So side note, like, taking vitamin C actually helps too, but literally putting it on your scalp is like gonna help out a lot. You know what I'm saying? My two top favorites are the shampoo and the deep conditioner. They are staples in my routine now. They ain't going nowhere. But another product that I really did enjoy was the leave-in conditioner. So the leave-in conditioner has a lot of similar ingredients in them, and it's very moisturizing. But the thing that I love the most about the leave-in, and I don't know how they pulled this off, the leave-in seals in moisture itself. So you know how normally, you know, you would put a leave-in on, you would put a gel on, and then you would put your oil on top of that to seal in that moisture? Well, with this leave-in, I didn't have to use oil at all, and my hair literally feels like as if I put an oil on my hair. I don't know how they did this. I don't know how they pulled it off. I don't have answers. All I know is my hair is moisturized as if I sealed in the moisture. So this is a pretty good leave-in as well. I really like that aspect of it. You just knock two birds out in one stone. But also this leave-in really does help your hair stay moisturized for longer. So those are all the natural products that I've tried. There's a couple more now that I really want to try, because the ones that I use so far are... I'll have all these products linked below for you guys to check out. But they also have a deal where if you get a bundle, they'll also include in like your order a free spray bottle. So if anybody wants a cool spray bottle, then that's an option. The other thing that I wanted to mention that I think you guys will really like is that they offer Viabill. And so what that is you can buy the products now and pay later. With Viabill, you can order the products and then like you can pay in like installments. So instead of just paying, like, let's say you got a bundle, instead of paying like all the way for the bundle up front, you can pay in small installments over time. And the other thing about Viabill is that there's no interest, so it's interest free. So yeah, you can truly try the products now, pay later, you know? I actually use this when I'm ordering a lot of stuff online, and it actually really helps out because I can order more stuff at one time, and instead of me having to pay all that right up front, I can just pay little bits over time. And I don't know, it's just so clutch. Oh, and another thing I wanted to mention is they gave me a code for you guys so you can get some money off on your products. So you can use my discount code. I'll have it here on the screen for you guys to save some money on these products. But yeah, once again, all the products will be linked down below, and thank you so much to NaturAll for sponsoring this video. I can't believe I just said that. Y'all, we have came such a long way. Okay, another thing that I want to mention is detoxing your hair. Now, I'm learning more about this, so definitely stay tuned. Like, if you are looking forward to, you know, more tips on these things, definitely subscribe and stay tuned, because I will be diving deep, and this is the reason why I don't have too much to say about it now. But detoxing your hair by using like some sort of clay mask, or there are even products now that are made for detoxing. Because what I found out is when you're washing your hair, right, the water that comes out of your faucet has minerals and stuff in it that they use to, you know, clean the water. But the problem is that those minerals can get into your hair strands, similar to the way a deep conditioner can, but then they solidify. And so when they solidify, that's the reason why sometimes you'll like have pieces of hair, but they'll be like straight, and you're like, is my hair damaged? Is there something wrong with my hair? Do I need to cut it off? Because you got these straight pieces of hair that you're like, I don't know why this is like this. I think that's coming from mineral buildup, just from the research that I've done so far. Like I said, I have a lot more learning to do to get to the bottom of this, because I know a lot of people, myself included, deal with this. There are pieces of your hair that are straight, and you're like, where did this come from? You know? So I know it has something to do with minerals in your hair that have solidified, and detoxing can help get them out of your hair so your curls can flourish to their full potential. But I will definitely be doing more research on that and many more videos on that as I'm learning things, so definitely stay tuned. All right, y'all, and my last tip is consistency. Being consistent, getting a routine, being consistent with it, consistently taking care of your hair, consistently doing the things that you know is gonna help your curls stay strong, stay moisturized, and stay healthy, because that's how your curls are really gonna pop. That's how you're gonna train your curls to act right. You know, you gotta treat them right. You know what I'm saying? And consistency is the key to so many things in life, and it's the same with your hair. That is one of the big keys that's really going to help your hair flourish. It's gonna help your curls be popping. It's gonna help your curls look healthy. It's going to help your curls grow. It's really going to help your curls be curly. Another thing I noticed is like a lot of influencers, or even a lot of my friends who are influencers, all of the ones who have like flawless hair, they are so strict and serious about their curly hair routine, and it shows. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, as it really does support the channel. And if you're looking forward to more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. For more of the behind the scenes stuff, you can find me on Instagram at Kobe Lomax and on TikTok at Kobe Lomax. And I want to give a huge thank you once again to NaturAll for sponsoring this video. All the products are linked below and will help you, as they say, be deliciously you. And also, don't forget to use my discount code so you can save money when you order your products. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos, tuning in, spending some time here with me on the internet. I really, really, really appreciate it so much. Every watch, every like, every comment, every share, it means the world to me. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. You guys literally feel like my brothers and sisters. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.